are looking to start a business and you don't know what kind of business you want to get started with, or if you do not have the funds to get started with your business today I am going to teach you how you can start making money, and you can actually make this as a full-time business, or you can make it as a side hustle for you to begin making more money now. So in today's video, we're going to discuss how you can get started using Clickbank in order for you to become an affiliate marketer without having to have a website, without needing any funds to get started, without needing anything in order for you to go ahead and start making money today. So if you are ready to start making money today and you are ready to make passive income today, you want to go ahead and make sure that you stick around to the end of this video, because I'm going to give you a lot of gems in order for you to start making money right now today without having any startup costs or fees to get started. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get right into it. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I am Tiara and I am a full-time business owner. In today's video, we're going to discuss how you can get started with affiliate marketing by using Clickbank in order for you to get started. So first thing first is, what is an affiliate marketer? An affiliate marketer is when you are promoting a company's website and their products in order for you to make commission from that company. So what you're going to do is promote different products from the website of that company, and they're going to set an amount that they pay you for commission each month, each week, just depending on what company you use to get started with. So one place you can go ahead and get started today as an affiliate marketer is with Clickbank. Clickbank is going to be a company that has 100,000 plus different businesses that you can choose from in order for you to start promoting products to make money today. Now, one thing I love about being an affiliate marketer is it is passive income, and all you have to do is come up with a strategy in order for you to send traffic to your links. Once you become an affiliate marketer on Clickbank, what you're going to do is go through and determine what industry you want to get started in today. Now, when it comes to being an affiliate marketer, the first thing you need to do in order for you to start and know exactly which companies to choose from is to decide on which niche you're going to promote for. When it comes to a niche, this is going to be a specific group that you're going to stick to, and within that group you can find a sub niche. So for instance, becoming a fitness coach is a niche within itself. Fitness is a niche. So once you decide that you want to get into fitness, now you can go and you can narrow it down even more on what kind of fitness will you perform. Will you work on just abs? Will you be known for the buttocks? What is it within that niche that you can do in order for you to have a specific group of people that you are targeting? Now, when it comes to fitness, fitness is a broad niche. So you always want to narrow in on what specifically you're going to do within that niche. So once you know what you're going to do within that niche, now you can go on Clickbank. You can find specific products within your niche on what it is you can promote to sell in order for you to make commission. Now, once you're on Clickbank and you sign up for Clickbank, you will see that there are a lot of companies that you can choose to work with. If you have already began buying things for yourself, you can also search to see if it's companies that you have already used before in order for you to get a link for that company. So once you have found which companies you're going to use in order for you to drive traffic to their websites, when you get ready to apply to work with these companies, it will go over all of the terms and conditions that you need to know. So make sure that you read these terms and conditions and that you see exactly how much you're going to make within that commission. It'll allow you to know exactly how much they are willing to pay you per sale and off which products. So once you know these are the products that you want to sell to your customers, you want to make sure that you go on there and that you know exactly how much you are going to make, so that you can make sure that it is worth your time. Now the good thing about Clickbank is you do not have to only use one company. You can sign up for multiple affiliate links in order for you to drive traffic to them. Another good thing about affiliate marketing is you can actually get sales for that company with courses. You can get sales for books. You can even get sales for products and services that other companies may be offering. So no matter what your specific niche is, there is always going to be something that you can sell. One of the best things about being an affiliate marketer is there is no top out amount. So what this means is there is no specific amount that you can max out. The more sales you drive to your link, the more money you can make within your business. Now the thing about an affiliate marketer is, as I told you guys, you can make it a full-time business, or this can be a side hustle for you in the beginning. But I absolutely love affiliate marketing, and it is one of the easiest ways to go ahead and start making money today. So if you are in need of money, or if you are looking to start a business and you don't know exactly what you want to start yet, you can actually play around with becoming an affiliate marketer on Clickbank by searching different products that you may want to sell within those sub niches. And once you get those different product links, now what you're going to do is promote them on your social media platforms. Now the world that we live in today, social media is game changing. Everything you need is now online. So with affiliate marketing, all you have to do is come up with a marketing strategy in order for you to drive traffic to those links. So when you become an affiliate marketer, once you get those links on Clickbank, the companies that you are using, they're going to each individually give you a link in order for you to make sales. So when you get ready to start promoting your links, you want to make sure that you are using the direct link that the company gives you, so that you're able to keep track of your commission. Once you have your Clickbank account, you will actually have a back end where you're able to see exactly how many people are clicking on your link and how many sales you have made and how much commission you have made. Once you put in your payment information each month, or however you choose to set it up with that company, depending on the terms and conditions of you guys' contract, that's how you would get paid through your bank account. I absolutely love having an affiliate marketing company, because with affiliate marketing, that's extra income, which is passive income for one of my streams of income as a business owner. With affiliate marketing, again, there is no cap on how much you can make. So the more sales traffic you can drive to that company and get your customers to purchase from you, that's going to be the more money you make as a business owner or as a side hustle. I always teach you guys on this channel that it is very important to have a business. So even if you just get started with affiliate marketing today, in order for you to just make it as a side hustle, figure out how you can make this a full-time business, because it is absolutely amazing to know that you can get started today with no startup costs, no fees, no hassles, not having to do anything but drive traffic to that actual business. So when it comes to the marketing side of your affiliate link, you want to make sure that you are marketing that business by sending sales to that customer. You have social media platforms today, as in Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, Facebook. You have so many different platforms to choose from that you can send your links out abroad in different social media platforms. Now, when it comes to coming up with a strategy, if you need help with coming up with a strategy in order for you to make consistent sales, as I do within my company, let me know down in the comments, and I'll be sure to make a new video on how you can come up with a good marketing strategy in order for you to make money starting today. This is going to bring us to the end of this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. If you found this video to be helpful, make sure you give me a like on this video. It is absolutely free, no charge to you. Thank you guys again for watching this video, and I'll talk to you guys on the next video. Bye.